Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. International finance is tricky, but we will master the balance of payments. Let's find where net unilateral transfers are recorded in these accounts. First, we must understand that the balance of payments is divided into specific sections. One section tracks trade and income, while the other tracks investments and various financial asset flows. The current account specifically tracks a nation's net trade in goods and services. It also includes net earnings on cross-border investments and, most importantly, those net unilateral transfers we need. Since unilateral transfers represent one-way flows like foreign aid or gifts, they belong in the current account. Option E is our final winner. Well done! Scan the code to learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rushing. Always trust given data and check your steps.